Yes, I've told you guys that things like workout, grooming, these things they can boost your style and make you a more attractive guy. But bro, they are little micro hacks with a macro effect. And over the course of the last few days, I've been testing out these micro hacks myself. I've been using myself as a guinea pig to test out these hacks. So today I'm going to show you these micro hacks I compiled that bro, they crush the game. So I figured out instead of just telling you these micro hacks and showing you using the bureau, I figured I should tell you and show you in real time, bro. Let's get started. Number one, we got the shirt folding hack. This is how we all wear our t-shirts, right? You just pull on the t-shirt and boom, you're just like this, right? But you're hiding those beautiful biceps you'll be working out in the gym. You're hiding those gains that, bro, you know how you sweat to get them. So let's change that. Make a cuff. Inward, not outward, because outward just makes it look like you're trying too hard. Or you could do it outward if you want. I kind of prefer the inward style. And boom. Bro, look at the difference between this arm and this arm. The difference, it's massive. The difference, it's insane. Now, we just do that on this other hand right here. I hope you're following. You could put your phone on the table or something and literally follow along. Right? Fold that in, and bro, look at that. Look, bro, look at that. Like, look at that. That's just one hack. I got a few more to go. Bro, man, this stuff looks good. I can't just take it off. Alright, number two, we have the military tuck in, or the tactical tuck. This is a method of folding your shirt so that, bro, they almost can never come out and have that rough look. Let me show you in real time. So we are going to do this tactical tuck. It's very, very simple. Just follow along. First up, you get your shirt into your trousers just the way you normally would do that without watching this video. Next, you want to make sure the front is smooth. Like literally, it's smooth. Then you grab this excess fabric on this side. The excess fabric here, you fold that in. Just fold it and let your trousers cover that. Then you come to the other side, grab the excess fabric on this side, and you fold that in. Fold that in like that. Then, bro, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that clean look. Bro, tell me which business meeting you get into like this and you won't get that job. And you won't get that contract. These just two hacks. I'm still getting started. Number three, you have the lips exfoliation hack. Bro, we know the drill with chapped lips. It looks funny, right? But I can give you a simple hack, not to give you pink lips as it were, but to just kind of give your lips that plump look. And to do this, it's simple. You need your toothbrush, yes, the one you use for your mouth, and then some water. So you just have to wet the toothbrush. You just have to dip that in some water. Then you will likely exfoliate your lips like this. Likely exfoliate. You can see that plump look. Then to keep that look all day, grab a bit of Vaseline and apply. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, you're one step to being kissed. Bro, that lips. Any girl will literally want to kiss that, right? right? This is just 3 hacks, bro. I'm getting you prepped up here. Alright, up until this point, you've tucked in like the boss and you've cuffed your shirt properly. And then you've also, you've gotten plump lips. But let's say you get to school or to work, I need you to sit like the boss. You don't know how to sit like the boss. I'll show you how. Now let's say we are at work or we are at school. This is how most guys would sit. They'll just come and they'll sit without realizing that our trousers, they're not made for this position. They are made to be in a standing position, and then just create these awkward cuffs on your trousers. But the best way to sit, to truly sit like a boss, follow me. You come to your seat. First off, you want to scan the environment. Next, you want to stand with your hips, with your legs shoulder width apart. Then you hold your trousers on your pocket region, pull it up as far as you can, and then sit. Right? It creates this natural line and natural angle. And then when you sit, don't fold up your legs, bro. Have that open space. And when you do sit, rest your back, roll your shoulders backward, stretch out yourself. Take up the space you need and look like the boss. Look like the man, bro. I'm just getting warmed up. Bro. Tell me which of those tips you've heard elsewhere. I'm getting you prepped up at zero cost. I'm getting you prepped up at zero cost, which is why I literally love the guy at the back of the screen, but because bro, you'd want to try to level up with your fitness, with your style, with your grooming. And if you haven't joined the DMUP Brotherhood, it's very simple. With $0.000, you can go down there, click that subscribe button, and then you're part of the brotherhood with me as your head coach. Teaching you everything you basically need to know. Go down there, drop us a like down below, and let's subscribe. Now, let's keep it rolling. Number 5, we have jaw training. Bro, we know that a prominent jawline is one of the attractive features a man can have, because it shows that it actually shows your true physique, which is an attractive quality. And maybe you don't have the time to sit and train your jawline. You can do this 2 to 5 minute training that I do every day myself to give me that jawline I want. So to start, it's simple. Again, your toothbrush. Grab your toothbrush, then you place it in your mouth. Now, when you're placing it in your mouth, the head, it's not resting on your tongue, it's not resting anywhere. It's being suspended in your mouth. The tension of that suspension, it will fall on your jaw. So, right, grab it, place it in your mouth. Did you see that? Did you see that? Imagine me holding this for 5 minutes a day. At the end of the week, bro, you see massive, drastic improvement. And to do it is simple. You just need about 3 sets of 20 seconds hold. So let's begin. Bro, feels insane. You could do this every single morning right before you prep yourself and head out, and then you don't have to think about it. You're getting your jawline on the go. Which kind of bro, you look good. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button. Number 6, I need you to learn how to cuff correctly, how to fold your sleeves the correct way. So let's say you're wearing a button-down shirt or a button-down jacket like I'm wearing, and you want to cuff correctly. And the most easiest way to do this is very simple. You make one big cuff right to where you want it to stop. So you make a big cuff right to where you want it to stop. So let's say you want it to stop around here. You make a big cuff all the way there. Then this natural silhouette that the shirt already has, you just fold it in. bro. Then tell me it took me up to 20 seconds to do that. As opposed to trying to do this and this and this multiple times, and you just pause the whole loop. So do that for the other side. Make one big cuff, then you fold, and fold, bro. Look at that, right? It gives you that thick vein, that thick arm, that thick forearm. Number 7, I need you to shower at these times. All right, I've heard some guys say things like, I don't have time to shower, or I don't know when it's best for me to shower. Whatever your problem is, trust your boy. I always come with a solution. All right. So let's start with when to shower. I made the most simplest rule possible that I follow myself to shower right. I called it the before and after rule, and it's simple. You will shower before and after bed. Let's take that again. Before and after bed. Bro, shower at only these 2 times, you are good. You are literally good. You will literally be on point. And what does that mean? Right before you climb on that bed in the night, after you've gone through your entire day, shower. Literally, bro. Right before you step on that bed, shower. The next time you'll be showering is right after you've used that bed. Meaning that after those 6 to 8 hours that you stayed on that bed in sweat and dead skin cells, and you were dehydrated all night, hop in the bathroom and have a proper shower. You shower only at these 2 times, you will be on point. You could decide to take a shower in the afternoon or whatever, but these 2 times, they're the most critical times every guy should shower. And how do you have that proper shower? First off, it's simple. You need just about 7 to 10 minutes to have this shower, no matter how slow you are. Go under that shower, whether you're using a bucket or you have a cap on your head. Then you will wet your skin. Next up, you grab soap, apply liberally all over your skin. While you're applying soap, so you can provide a seal on those natural oils your body has. Because your sponge, you already know they are off. So if you keep that scrubbing and exfoliation that's necessary, it may be doing a damage as well of stripping your body of those natural oils. So that applying soap on your body right before using your sponge is the best way possible to lock in those natural oils your body has. Next, you grab your sponge and then you start from your head up. How do you do that? First off, your back. Wash your back. Next up, your armpit. From there, you move over to your chest. This area, especially this area that's right under your chest and above your abs. That hole right here, bro, we know, right? Next up, the both sides of your groin, the back of your knees, and almost where most guys don't touch, in between your toes. We know how, bro, we know. Next up, I think we should get into the most important aspect that, bro, I personally love. You know what that is? Applying fragrance, bro. I can't imagine myself dressed up and not applying fragrance. I feel like fragrance, it's a part and parcel of my dressing. It's a part and a parcel of what I wear. So days on which I don't apply fragrance, I feel awkward. And then these are pure oil fragrance, a pure oil cologne. So meaning that you don't have to go through the stress of applying Vaseline before spraying on, because it already has the oil and then the fragrance on it. So you just grab on your neck, on the both sides of your wrist, you're good. Like, you are literally good. You apply your fragrance like this every single day, bro. You could use one fragrance bottle for up to 2 months if you're very careful about it. And then this fragrance, bro, it looks literally small. I can put in my pocket so that right around midday, when the fragrance starts to die down, I just reach out into my pocket, grab again, and then I apply. Yo, these hacks I'm showing you, tell me they are not changing the game for you. You tell me they are not switching up your style. You use these hacks every single day, bro. You'll be on point. But bro, there's just one more. This one you must hear it. We know you used to brush your mouth in the morning and in the night, bro. I know you're scraping your tongue every single time you're in the shower. But just in case any ugly head of bad breath want to spring up where you are, you kill it. What do you use to kill it? Gum. You kill that with a proper gum, right around midday where your breath, especially if you haven't eaten, or for some reason right around midday when you haven't talked for a while, your breath starts to stink. What I like to do is to grab gum, you open that up, you chew. Literally, bro. First off, it's kind of taking away your head off some kind of things and just clearing your head. Now, when you're chewing gum, you want to make sure you're not in an official environment, like you're not in a business meeting, you're not talking to someone that's older than you or someone important. And then when you're chewing in public, don't chew with your mouth open, bro. You're not a dog, you're restored. I think your mom told you. And then when you know you have to talk with someone, kind of push that to the side, slap it in, and then just talk with the person. Then you move, like, bro. There's just a technology to this, right? You just have to follow these few steps, these few tips I just told you, bro. You'll be on point, you'll be attractive. And that is what I do with the Dressing Men Up channel. Yo, my only job is to create a brotherhood of guys who are always leveling up. And I know you're part of that guy. I know you're part of those guys who are always trying to level up themselves in style, in grooming, in fitness. And bro, if you haven't joined them, it's free. It's free. Just go down there, hit that subscribe button, and then just give me a month. Just give me 1 month. I will switch up your style. So drop us a like down below and also subscribe, boys. It's God way. I am out.